Hi guys, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I will show you how to delete your YouTube watch history. Make sure you have an active internet connection. I'm going to show you the tutorial on my computer, but the steps are the same for phones and for MacBooks. So the first step is to go to YouTube. Open up your browser and type YouTube in the search bar and hit enter. Select the top option here. This will take you directly to YouTube. In our previous videos about YouTube restricted mode and dark mode, we clicked on our channel icon in the top right. For your watch history, you have to go all the way to the left and search for history. Click on it. As you can see, this is your watch history. These are the videos I've watched in the past. So to delete an individual video, you have to go over the video with your cursor and click on the X to remove that video. Now you can do this for all videos, but that would take insane amounts of time. So to just delete all the history, go to the right and click on Delete Watch History. You will be asked to confirm it here. Now I'm not going to do it, but if you want you can click here. I'm going to cancel since I'm not going to delete my history. Now a cool thing to know is you can actually pause your history. Click on the option Pause Watch History and you will be asked to confirm again. If you click Pause History, the video you watch from now on will not show in your history. So this was the tutorial. Hope this video helped you. Make sure to subscribe to fix it to make your daily life easier.